Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I am going to explain about how to turn on the Bluetooth on Windows 10. If you want to use a Bluetooth for wireless audio or transfer some files or using a wireless mouse, keyboard or other peripheral, here is a step-by-step guide. I will explain the how to turn on Bluetooth on Windows 10. I will explain the two methods. First one is use Windows settings. Now I will explain. The first step before using your Bluetooth device is to configure the Bluetooth settings in Windows 10. To do this, go to Settings app in Windows 10 by clicking the Start button and then click the Settings icon. Next, click Devices. After that, click Bluetooth and other devices. On the Bluetooth and other devices screen, toggle Bluetooth on. If the Bluetooth toggle is not available on the Bluetooth and other devices settings, your Windows computer probably does not have the Bluetooth feature or the related hardware it's recognized. After that, click More Bluetooth options under the related settings section for the more Bluetooth settings. You can expand the windows to see the options on the right menu. Now second method I will explain. Turn on Bluetooth in Action Center. The Action Center in Windows 10 allows you to access a quick settings and actionable app notification. You can find the Action Center icon in your taskbar at the lower right side of your screen. When you click on it, you will see the quick settings and app notification icons. Click all settings. Next, click devices. Click Bluetooth and other devices on the left hand side. Toggle the Bluetooth slider to on. Click Add Bluetooth or other device. Click Bluetooth. Windows will begin searching for available Bluetooth device. If your other devices as Bluetooth on or it's in a pairing mode, you will see the name appear on the list available devices. From here you can click or tap the device you want to pair with the ones connected. It will be part of your list to connected peripherals. If you click on it, the button turns on blue indicating the Bluetooth is turned on. The Bluetooth icon will also appear on your taskbar. Now third one I will explain. Use Shift Pair. Shift Pair is a service in Windows 10 that allows you to pair supported Bluetooth devices with your PC, thereby reducing the steps to need pair devices. If the device also supports a Shift Pair, you will get notification whenever it's within a range or nearby to make it discoverable. To use a Shift Pair, turn on the device and make it a discoverable. Then go to the settings. After the devices, then Bluetooth and other devices, then click in the show notification to connect using a Shift Pair box. Select yes if it's your first time using Shift Pair to get notification, and use the service. Click connect when the new Bluetooth device was found. Notification appears. Once connected, click close.